Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headline them. Dr. Kassan Troop, or the Chief Education Officer, say 1 week after school open back fully, the Education Ministry can find 25,000 students. Some senior member of the Jamaica Police Federation accused the media after them report to a woman constable did last her gun when she got pee-pee in a some bush. The police are looking for Jody and Ailes who were missing grade 10 Edwin Allen High School student. The West Indies woman them the outside at the automatic semi-final qualifying zone after them lose by 7 wickets to Australia yesterday morning. Now for the full tour of them. Dr. Kassan Troop, or the Chief Education Officer, said 1 week after school open back fully, the Education Ministry can find 25,000 students. She said most of the students them are go high school. Dr. Troop said the ministry are worried that some of the upper secondary school picnic them might have gone look work and not come back at school. But the ministry are do everything for find them picnic and make them come back at school. Some senior member of the Jamaica Police Federation accused the media after them report to a woman constable did lose her gun when she got pee-pee in a sun bush. The Federation accused the police officer them too, who put up the constable picture on Facebook. On top of that, the Federation said them shame and upset by how the media report pan wagwan, and the headline them show said journalism dead in the country. The police are looking for Jody and Ailes who were missing grade 10 Edwin Allen High School student. She missing from Friday, March 11 after she never reached home. Jeremy and Harris, or the principal for Edwin Allen, said find out that she missing Monday and one report make to the Frankfield police station. Mr. Harris said I beg people in the community for tell the police what them know because the people them who work at the school and our classmates them are worried about her. The Frankfield police said them are looking at what going. The police are report to one wanted man who killed one Chinese couple in a Southfield, St. Elizabeth, get her from them in a one shootout to go on Monday evening per Allen Bamboo Avenue. According to the police report, them did a do one stop and search operation on 8 when them see the man a drive one great Toyota Probox. Them said the man bust some shot off of them and run go in at the Allen estate and get away. The police said them charge Nigel and Nicholas Walters, who are brother, for kill the Chinese couple already. Class did have a stop at the Garvey Massey High School in a Clarendon for 2 days after taximan block off the Milk River to Maypen Road for a second day. The taximan them said them not stop block the road until them hear so the road a go fix. On top of that, the taximan them say no running water no in the community. But Lawton Cousin, or the member of parliament for Clarendon Southwest, say him a go meet with the taximan them. Now for sport. The West Indies woman them the outside at the automatic semi-final qualifying zone in the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup after them lose by 7 wickets to Australia yesterday morning. The West Indies win the toss and bat first and make 131 runs in a 46 overs. Australia make 132 runs and lose 3 wickets in a 31 overs. The West Indies woman them are going to play Bangladesh on Thursday. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.